I'm Emily Gill, taking lessons here at Trilogy Sound Studio. What brought me to this studio was my dad. For my 15th birthday, he got me a tour of the studio. So that's where it started. It took me a while to accept that I want to do this as a career because it's something that is difficult to do. So I went to college and realized I have nothing that I'm interested in other than music. So I wanted to definitely take lessons here and learn how to produce an audio engineer, and everything to do with music interests me, and I want to be well-rounded and all of it basically. The most significant part of the MPACE program for me was definitely the theory, because I kind of started from zero. My overall knowledge of just anything music is a lot more expanded. Me and Matthew have been working a lot more in theory and stuff, and we're actually able to work together more. It's easier when I kind of know what I'm talking about too, and it's been really nice. It feels like I'm working a muscle. With audio engineering, it's a monster. At first, we were always in Pro Tools, just repetition, learning how to record, knowing the key commands. I only got it because we just did it over and over and over again. You just have to practice a ton. The final project was an original piece. I wrote all the composition myself, and we actually did some live tracking of drums. My dad came in and played some guitar for it. We also played in live piano. And then everything else was just from sound libraries, different synths and stuff like that. That really helped me understand kind of a workflow. For some reason, it was really hard for me to grasp what is the right way to do it, but there really isn't a right way to do it. Building that song really helped me start somewhere. Matthew's teaching style, he likes to put you on the spot. I think it's helpful because I need to be pushed. When he tells me a piece of information, he doesn't let me sit with it. He's okay, apply it. I think it helps push me out of my comfort zone for sure. I think overall it's been a really positive experience. I really love everyone here. They're all very nice. I think it's overall a very positive vibe here. I like it a lot. I do want to eventually go to a 4-year school and get my bachelor's. And MPACE, it was such an intensive curriculum. I just obtained a ton of knowledge at one time. I think it'll be easier for me to accomplish my goal. It's a monster to tackle. It's a lot, but it's worth it for sure, and it will get easier.